to the Smart Notebook How To video series. This video is how to create a Shout It Out activity. Shout It Out is an activity where students can use their own device or a school-supplied device to contribute to discussions in categories or random arrangements, using it as a brainstorming activity. As a teacher, in an open notebook file on a new page, I'm going to the top menu and I'll press the lab icon to open the Smart Lab Wizard. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to press Shout It Out to open the wizard that I can use to create this activity. Before I start creating the activity, at the top right, there's a help button that I can press that opens the details about lab activities on the support site. And next to that is a hamburger that I can press and open and use it to create custom lists that I can use in lab activities. Now let's create the Shout It Out activity. I can either do randomized categories or create categories. So I'm going to press categories and I'm going to type in the names of my categories: summer solstice and winter solstice. On the right, I can have the students contribute with either text or images. A student may enter up to 150 characters into the window for each text response. And as a teacher, I can select how many maximum responses I want. In this case, I'm going to choose maximum of 3 responses per student. If I select images, I can select again the maximum they want, up to a maximum of 50 images. Under the student names, I can either show or hide the student names, and I'm going to select hide. When I'm done, I'm going to press finish to create the activity. On the right hand side, you'll see the activity window. In the top left corner, as a teacher, I'm going to press the arrow and I'm going to ask the students to go to, on a browser, go to classlab.com, and when they get there, they can connect to the class code 97471673. Once they get there, I'm going to start activity. They'll be able to select a category and then enter in their responses. Once the students have finished responding, as a teacher, I can easily curate the content to make sure answers are correct, and I can use the student responses for generating ideas and discussions. Thanks for watching this video. Check out the other videos in this how-to video series.